Welcome back to KETK's East Texas Live. Well, joining us now is Aaron Bowder from CHRISTUS Trinity Mother Frances Health and Fitness Center. And today he's going to save us from eating all those cookies and get us healthy for the new year. Aaron, how are you?
I'm well, thanks.
How's your New Year's diet going?
It could be better, but it could be worse.
See, I mean, I had a burger my last day of 2017, and now I'm off to a fresh start.
That's not so bad.
I know. I'm doing pretty well, but it's hard. It's hard to kind of switch those gears from holiday eating and all the parties and the cookies to being healthy again. So what do you recommend for us who are struggling?
Well, I think it's important that you really set goals for yourself in the new year that are attainable, they're realistic, they're measurable, and I think that that goes for your diet and for your fitness as well. So I also think that it's important, especially when it comes to fitness, that you find somebody that will exercise with you, find a partner, find a spouse or a friend, a trainer even, and they can kind of help keep you accountable throughout the year.
Right, and getting started really is the hardest part. And I feel like friends, they can just, you know, hold you accountable, be like, we're going on a walk this afternoon, or we're going to the gym at your fitness center, and you guys have been open for a year now. We
have, yes. So we have 5 locations throughout Greater Tyler. We have one in Canton, Lindale, Lake Palestine, Jacksonville, and now our newer facility in South Tyler at the corner of 110 and Grande.
So tell us what is so special about your, I mean, you were mentioned you have a pool.
We do.
Not many fitness centers have that.
Right, we've got beautiful pools in all of our health and fitness centers. We have in South Tyler here, we have a 25-meter heated indoor pool. It is salt water, so it's easy on your skin. We've got some great personal trainers. We've got fantastic staff. We've got some state-of-the-art equipment in our facility. We also offer 24-hour access and reciprocity. So if you're a member with us at any one of our fitness centers, you can use all of them. But I would say most importantly, it's our mission. And so as being part of CHRISTUS, it's our mission to extend the healing ministry of Jesus Christ. And so we believe that we do that through exercise. We believe that exercise is medicine.
Yeah, I agree. And so getting started is really the hardest part, like we mentioned. And so when we are, you know, getting into the groove of things, what have you kind of seen maybe as a trend right now? Like, are people having the hardest part with the diet or the exercise?
Well, I think unfortunately every January we see a lot of people come in and they're fired up to lose weight, they're fired up to get started in the new year, and unfortunately they only make it 4 or 5 weeks, and then it's kind of back to the usual lifestyle. So we really, I think it's very important to find a way to fall in love with exercise that you like, that you enjoy doing. And so that could be Zumba. Maybe you like to do Zumba. Focus on
with
that.
Your friends.
Maybe that's right. With your friends, maybe use the spin bikes or find a personal trainer. So I think it's important to find something that you really enjoy doing, and that will help you stick with it throughout the year rather than just go for 4 or 5 weeks and give up.
Right, and I'm sure you can say this too. People always choose exercise and diet because it just makes you feel better and live a better life. You know, what are some of the other benefits?
It does, and truly exercise helps prevent almost every disease, almost every non-terminal, non-viral disease. When you look at the diseases that really plague our country and our state right now, obesity, heart disease, cancer, all of these things can be improved or prevented with exercise.
Exactly. And if people have questions about this, or they want to get a kick start and start, you know, 3 days late, which is okay, and maybe have a personal trainer at your fitness center, where can they contact you? Sure.
So if you go to our main CHRISTUS website, and you can either type fitness in our search bar or go to the wellness resources, you can see our all of our fitness centers. We've got phone numbers there that you can call the facilities and take tours, or stop by anytime during the day for a tour.
Great. Aaron, thank you so much.
Thank you for
Happy
having
New
me.
Year.
Thank you. You too.
All right, well, coming up next.